Hi. A lot of customers have asked us for an unboxing video, which if you look at them on various social media are very popular. So today we're doing an unboxing video of a watch that we've got going out, but I'm going to unbox it and then rebox it for the customer. So we present them in these recycled cardboard boxes. I'm very keen to make sure that all our packaging is recyclable. There's hardly anything that we use that isn't recycled or recyclable. So there's that. So we have the sticker here. Let's take that off gently. And we open the box. Here you go. So inside you'll find, this is our new membership card that's going out to a lot of customers. Inside you'll find here not only your guarantee card, too sticky. Not only will you find your guarantee card for the watch, which is your guarantee for 2 years, but we also now include a membership card with a membership number on the back of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. So that membership card will allow you for 2 years anything from discounts on access to racetracks that we work with, access to events, a free coffee, literally any sort of offer that we've got going at the time. So it's a great way of saving money. It's a great way of getting added benefit from just buying a watch. So it's very important to me that we have a very inclusive brand, and that particular card makes it very inclusive. A few people haven't got them yet retrospectively. The lockdown in the UK has really stopped us from sending them out as quickly as we wanted them to. But as we open up again and as the restrictions ease, staff are coming back in, so it's a lot easier for us to be able to send that back out again. So you'll get one eventually if you haven't already got one. So that's that. Then we go on to the actual watch itself. Again, it's all environmentally friendly bubble wrap. This is eco-friendly, biodegradable, etc., etc. So we'll put that to one side. And then we have our box. The box has got a very, I don't know if you can see that, but a very subtle logo printed in black. So it's very low key. And then it's replicated there again. And then the all-important watch. This is the British Racing Green Classic. Slightly updated for this year, 2021. We've got an emerald dial on there rather than the darker dial. Comes with a card to say thank you, a little bit about the watch inside, and just a few details about us on the back. That's a little card there. Each is presented with this plastic Omologato tag, which I love details like this, so it's very important to send out just to show that it's, checked by us. It's attached by hand. Well, you couldn't do it by machine anyway, but it's attached by hand by us in the office or in the warehouse in the UK. So just gives that little bit of, hey, we've looked at it before we sent it, sort of thing. And there's the instruction manual, which we slide in underneath there. And then to remove the watch very carefully, just pull it out of that there, put that back in, and that's the British Racing Green. If you pull off the protective plastic cover, and that reveals probably one of our best-selling watches, actually, the British Racing Green. It's been absolutely brilliant, popular, very, very popular all over the world. It's not just the UK, it's everywhere. So particularly America, actually. And that comes with the rally strap. And then on the back, if you peel the protective sticker on there, you'll see an edition number on there as well. So, yep, I hope you've enjoyed that. Any comments or anything else you want to see, do let me know. We're trying to be as interactive as possible. We're trying to be as proactive as possible, and would love some feedback from you, if and when, or just let me know. Cheers. Thank you.